Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to fix Bluetooth icon missing in Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple problem. First, we see our problem. I go to the taskbar. In taskbar, I go to show hidden icons. Click on show hidden icons. And here we find there is no Bluetooth icon or Bluetooth shortcut. This is our problem and we are going to solve this problem. It is a very easy and simple process. Go to the start. Here type settings. Here type settings, click on the settings. In settings, we find many options. Here we find devices, click on the devices. In devices, scroll down and find more Bluetooth options. Here we find more Bluetooth options, click on that, more Bluetooth options. Minimize it. Here we find Bluetooth settings. In Bluetooth settings, last option is IMP for us. Show the Bluetooth icon in the notification area. Check this, select this. If it's not selected, then select this, click on apply, click on OK and restart your machine. After restart, we find at the here or in notification or the show hidden icons, we find our Bluetooth icon. Here we find our Bluetooth icon. Here is our Bluetooth icon. So guys, this is the simplest way to fix Bluetooth icon missing problem in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.